BBG cars.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Recently, I was told that there was a Mustang sitting in a bank lot in Cebu that had been there for many years. I was skeptical at first, until they sent me pictures of the car, so I decided to take a plane to Cebu, to the next island over. When I got there, I was shocked how damaged and dilapidated the car was. The front passenger side was hit pretty badly, and I was told Ford would charge $13,000 to repair it. In the US, this car could be fixed for half of that. So as you guys know, this video is a vlog. If you guys want to avoid all the chit chat, just go to the 4.50 minute mark and it'll take you right to the car. Thanks for watching the video.
I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
This is the nastiest, muddiest. So the car's in a container, so we're gonna have to wait for somebody to help us out. They're gonna get this massive forklift to get it out. Okay, so we're at the pier, and I should have brought my shoes. Instead, I got my stupid ass flip-flops on. So this pier is in Navotas, Manila. And this is basically where all the cars are at that get delivered here. The tow truck's there waiting, and I think we gotta wait for a big forklift to come in. It's a big one. Okay, here's that big ass Ford truck I was telling you about, guys. Gonna get the car. It's big. It's about the size of a semi. It weighs as much as probably 2 or 3 tanks because they really don't know what they're picking up on the containers up there. I hope you guys can see this video, but this is the best that I can do as of now. So anyways, a little review of what's up here. These are some brand new track hose, cement truck. Another track hoe, Caterpillar, I don't know the model. Okay, it's a 320GX, I believe. I don't know if you can see it, 320GX. And then over here is another cement truck. And over there at the very far distance, you can see a road grader, okay? And it's all the heavy equipment that comes through here, obviously. There it is. Kailan magtanggalin nyo? Kailan magtanggalin sa sasakyan?
Dito.
Sunod? Kailan tanggalin nyo sa sasakyan?
Alam ito.
Hindi mo alam? I just told the guy when they're gonna take the car out. You don't know. I can't believe they just forklifted this thing. So I don't know if I got under chassis damage, I'm not sure. What a fucking mess. Okay, I'm gonna talk to the guy to find out when they're gonna move the car next. To give you guys an idea how big this boat is, it's pretty big. go get it now. Now we're gonna pick it up.
The keys there, can you ano? The papers should be there.
Okay. Gonna check for the keys now.
Sa likod yung battery.
I have to
Tingnan mo sa likod yung battery, tingnan mo. Here at the back.
guys, I'm a complete idiot. I don't even know where the trunk release is. Do you know where the trunk release is?
No, that's here. The back is the way battery sa likod.
No.
Wala.
Nope. God damn, it's so new. This shit's still on the screen.
It's fucking brand new.
It is.
So what are we trying to do? Go na.
Stupid car.
All the way down.
Never knowing it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older.
I need a sharp object. And I don't have a sharp object. Christ. Maybe that's why he had that with him, huh?
Kaya mo? Kaya ko din.
Where's the keys? Oh, he's got it?
Ayan na, may butas. Nandiyan ang key. Ayan na. Ayan na yan. And here's the key. Salamat. Okay, put the key inside. Here. Here.
Trying to get the cover off.
Okay, alis ka nga dyan. Ako nga dyan.
Ridiculous. This thing still smells like new leather.
Hawakan mo. Wag mo iwala, ha?
Beneath the rear cup holder. The rubber mat at the bottom of the cup holders will need to be removed. Look for a tab at the front or rear of the cup holders.
Yeah,
It's
right.
reversible.
Where?
Ah, okay.
As shown. Pull it up to begin the removal. The mat may need to be twisted to finish. You could also just leave it pulled upward. The slot is now exposed. Place the key fob inside the slot with the
Oh, I see
buttons
what you
facing
mean.
forward. The
Ah.
This whole thing.
Oh, sige, go.
Yeah.
Internal battery is dead and will start.
I need.
The car is started, the fob will be removed, and the mat and any cups
that there?
replaced. And you'll be ready to go.
Key fob is in there, right? Like that. Oh, I feel like an idiot.
For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, forget to get new batteries for your
Oh my god, what an idiot. I need power for the battery.
Kuya, power mo nga. Power mo. Battery.
Oh my god.
Look for more videos.
Ayan na. May power daw.
Subscribe to this channel.
Step mo nga. Hindi mo you're not stepping.
Symbols.com.
I still can't get it neutral. I wish I had this on live stream.
For your fobs. For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other
Oh, I see it.
manufacturers,
I've been saying that.
videos from
Right
this
here,
here on
engine
YouTube.
Yeah, press that.
Subscribe to this
Hope I don't
channel
damage this thing.
or go to dashboard symbols.
Oh my God, finally. Okay na, neutral na? Oh, sige na. Okay na yung susi. Pakiwala. Okay na. Where's the other thing? I put it inside. Where's the other? Give me that. Akin na to.
Let's go. Jesus Christ. First time I've ever done one of these cars. Jesus Christ. I was away from the US this whole time and these cars came out. I've never even worked on them. Alright. What an adventure. God, you can still smell the leather. It's brand new smelling. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get this thing loaded onto the tow truck. I have it in neutral now. Jesus, what a pain in the ass. I I did not want to start this engine because I don't know the situation with it. What kind of a car is it that they make you start a freaking engine before you get into the car? The engine might have been flooded or effed up.
I'm standing in a blurry dream.
That's not pretty. Well, the good news is I think the tower is okay. Frames bent, tower is okay, but the shock's destroyed. So now it's in neutral, we're gonna get this thing loaded. All right, now we're missing the tow bar. Where the hell is the tow bar? Oh my God, this thing is flooded inside. And I forgot to bring my gimbal, so we're gonna get a lot of shaky video, guys, but it's okay.
Bakit parang ngayon ganito, Hilo?
Huh?
Isang big piece of metal.
Ano nangyari sa 4-cylinder? Alright, we're gonna pull it up. I'm such an idiot, I didn't bring my shoes. Now I'm gonna get all kinds of mud on myself, parasites and shit. Can you turn the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Alright. As y'all can see, the damage is pretty severe. Shock towers are destroyed. Sorry guys for the blurry video, but it's nighttime and I don't have a iPhone 30 at the moment. I'm so happy I can speak the language here. It makes things a little bit easier on me. My God, it's gonna take me a week just to clean this thing. You know it's gonna take me a week to just clean it up. It looks like shit.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over.
Stupid music's gonna get me. Anyway, we're gonna go take care of the Billo Lading and get the paperwork done. So, I have to talk to these guys first. And I can barely see. I gotta go swimming again in that water. Jesus Christ. I don't know. Oh, hell no. Look, I'm shit. Wait for him. I don't know, you guys can't see it, but it's fucking deep.
Inspect it wasn't there already actually.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, it wasn't there.
Freaking
The fact
ocean,
it wasn't
all the way
there,
down the
it
road.
wasn't there. That means they removed it when
They're all waiting to make this place deeper. That's what they're doing. They're waiting to make this place deeper. Oh my God. Look how deep that is.
That ocean.
Just bottomed out my freaking oil pan. Look at this.
But it's okay, the motorcycle made it.
Motorcycle guys get dirty all the time. They don't care. Look at that. Jesus Christ. It's like, this is the ocean.
It is the ocean, basically. You're in the ocean. Kasi the water is down there.
I'm glad I got armor shielding under this car.
What happened is nag-overflow yung ocean. Kasi the bottom of this tigay, it's ocean actually.
Yeah, it's actually below sea level.
This is just below sea level. So nag-overflow yung ocean.
Look at this.
This is ocean
Look at the
water.
semi-truck wheels. They're just,
See?
oh my God,
See,
man.
basically this is ocean water talaga.
I'm afraid of hitting a manhole.
Like halfway fat or super fat?
No, it's about a scale of 9 to 10. It's about an 8, but it's okay. Okay. We're gonna go to releasing and we're gonna go pick up the car and do the car's paperwork. Probably gonna get me for filming in here, but we're gonna go through this. We're gonna go upstairs there. I got my friend picking up the things over there. You should know in the Philippines, if they see my face, They're gonna probably charge me more.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw here, there's more videos here for you to watch right above your screen. This video is a multi-part series. It has 4 or 5 parts, maybe more. And if you want to see the entire series, just keep on watching, keep on checking for updates, and I'll update the videos as soon as they come out. Thank you for watching.
On my way back. So I got the car behind me and the tow truck. I should be there soon. And then we can unload this thing. Off the truck.